In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in fields in Framer. We'll walk through it inside a sample project and get your CMS set up properly. First, open your project in Framer. Once you're in the canvas, head to the left sidebar and open CMS. This is where your collections and their fields live. From here, go into Fields for the collection you want to edit. In my case, I'm using a sample collection, but the exact one doesn't matter as long as it's the place where the image should be stored. Use the highlighted control to add a new field, then select the collection if prompted. When the field type menu appears, choose Image. If you see additional highlighted prompts, follow them, and when Framer asks you to confirm, select Yes to proceed. That confirmation ensures the new field is applied to your existing items as well. With the image field created, it's time to configure it. You can set a default, which is the fallback image shown when an item doesn't have its own image yet. This is great for preventing empty thumbnails on new content. Next, review resolution options so images are delivered at the right size for your design. Choosing an appropriate resolution helps performance and avoids blurry visuals. Add alt text guidance to support accessibility and improve SEO. Think of this as a short description of the image's content. Finally, set a focal point so that important parts of the image remain visible when Framer crops or resizes it across breakpoints. Click Choose Image to add a test or default image from your library or from your computer. After that, open Plugins. Follow the highlighted cues in the interface to finalize any image-related plugin settings your project uses, such as optimization or source integrations. If you enable plugins, double-check their settings so images stay compressed without losing quality. You can always return to plugins later to adjust. When everything looks good, publish your project so the new image field and its settings go live. Publishing will update both the CMS schema and your site, and your components bound to this field will start displaying the images immediately. That's it. You opened the CMS, added an image field to your collection, configured defaults, resolution, alt text, and focal point, selected an image, reviewed plugin settings, and published.